It is notoriously difficult to reduce carbon emissions in these industries, but new tech could help. United H2 Limited recently announced that one of that conglomerate's investee companies has unveiled new hydrogen injection kits meant to be used in the decarbonization of industries that currently rely on diesel generators, such as in mining, oil, and gas. The first 10 units have already been manufactured and are being prepared for field testing. Part of the United H2 Limited Group, H2I Technology has already manufactured 10 of the hydrogen injection kits, which are commercially ready and will be used by potential customers in a 6-month testing period. These hardware units were developed by H2I Technology, including their proprietary software for the management of the H2 injection into diesel engines. The purpose is to substantially reduce the carbon emissions of those engines, while also shrinking fuel costs. Among the advantages identified in a press release announcing the production of the first 2 units are that overall emissions are greatly reduced in diesel internal combustion engines. The exhaust smoke overall is cut by 49%, and the exhaust opacity is decreased by 50%. The company claims that use of the hydrogen injection kits reduces fuel costs by 10% to 20%. The announcement also claimed that the average yearly fuel savings per unit comes to about $56,700, 45,000 pounds, when operating a 250 kVA generator. Moreover, additional savings occur when larger-scale diesel engines are operated. For every unit used, the company states that there will be an annual carbon emission reduction of 300 tons. The testing process provides companies with access to the carbon credit system in the United Kingdom. This is particularly appealing to industries such as those participating in underground mining, as the exhaust smoke produced in those environments also comes with health risks that can be substantially reduced for on-site employees when those emissions are cut. The smoke opacity reduction of the hydrogen injection kits helps to shrink maintenance costs for machinery, while also making it possible to extend an engine's operational lifespan. H2I Technology is now conducting final calibrations and testing, which it expects will be completed in under a month. Thanks for tuning in. Before you go, make sure to leave us a comment, hit subscribe, and grab our newest ebook at the link below.